Hello, this is a short video of replacing steering boots. Don't do the same mistake I did and put them on the wrong side. So hopefully this will inform people or inform you to adequately put it on the right side. I left my tires on and took off the tie rod ends. As you can see, my boots were well worn out. Yes, I know my steering knuckle joint is well rusted. I'll have to replace that at some point. I do have the right side boot on the left side, which was very difficult to put on, but I left it and ordered another passenger side boot. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.